my channel.
Hi guys, good morning. It's morning here. So we have a snowstorm. I don't know if you can tell, but look at that. It is cold, and later we're gonna go outside and play in the snow. We'll see you later.
Hi guys.
What are you doing?
Playing.
Do you want to go outside and play in the snow?
Yeah.
Are you excited? What are we doing here?
Baby.
No, what you want me to cut? What is
Yay.
this? Is your witch? Alright, we'll cut it.
I want to draw a face now.
What?
Let's got a hair.
What are you making? A witch? Where's the face? Uh-oh, I can't see. Where's the face?
Right here.
Okay. And you want me to cut that?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because I want to.
You want to?
This is soft.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating? What are you doing? Are you making a snow angel?
Yeah.
Maxie, how about you? Are you making a snow angel? Go ahead.
Wow. I'm gonna be cool.
Do you like snow? Yeah. Oh. Careful. Oh, look at that.
I got ice.
Maxie, what are you doing? Oh. Run! Maxie, what are you doing? Hey, Maxie. There's snow angels. Oh my goodness, it's crazy, huh? Look at this. This is so deep. Ah. Ella. What are you doing? Fix your hat.
Okay, can you help me?
Oh my goodness, you're gonna be cold. Oh. Ah, there we go. How about put your hood on?
Okay.
All right, hold this to you. Hold this to you. Here we go.
Good.
Good. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry about that. There we go. Now we're back. Try to make it.
Mommy!
Are you trying to make a snowman?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta roll it. Can you roll it? That one. The big one that you got. Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
I'm gonna do it too.
Okay. Is it getting bigger?
Yeah.
What? Help you up? Why, are you stuck?
Look at the bugs.
Oh my goodness, Ella, your pants are covered in snow. You're gonna get cold. Careful, that's my plant. Maxine. Maxine. Are you okay?
Can you let me up?
Look, still snowing. Oh.
It's gonna be stop until next Saturday.
No, it will stop. Maxine, come on. Stay over there.
Oh.
Hi guys. Yeah, it's still snowing here. And this crazy girls. They love snow. Ella, are you okay? Oh, my hands are freezing. Look guys, have to clear it. You see this? Yep. The snow is up to there. Have to clear it out because we can't open the door. What are these two doing? What are you doing?
Making a no.
Making a no. That means no. Ella! Should I jump? I'm gonna try. Maybe here. Almost. It's cold. What are you thinking else? Ella.
Look, I got big castle.
Big castle. What's that? A stand?
Actually got snow and spring.
Maxine.
What?
Are you crazy? Maxine! 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 Up! One.
I can relax here. I'm back from the snow.
So we're inside now because they're cold. Well, I'm cold.
I could too.
And they look like they're cold, but they don't want to go inside, but I told them to go inside. So, how do you like the snow?
Great.
You love it?
Yeah.
You want to go back again?
Yeah.
Maybe later we'll try. Okay?
With them. Listen. They